Third one in the deployment strategy is Canary. So roll out to the small group first. That means old one is up in the 90% of traffic, and when we say testing the traffic 10% of traffic only with the new one. So before moving to the full release to the new version, that is what the Canary deployment. Let's move to practical version. So this is the Canary deployment. When we say we need to create the deployment using this kubectl create deployment web image equal to nginx. I'm providing the image nginx 1.19. I'm specifying the image name. So deployment was created. So now we need to expose this deployment web via the port, that is node port or load balancer. You can use this command, but before that make sure if it is running kubectl get deploy. So once it is ready, then only we move to this. So okay, kubectl expose deployment web port 80, name service svc. So service is created. Now try to get the service, get svc. So here you can see this node port web svc is there, right? This one, not that one. Web svc is there. Now the next step is we need to create the Canary deployment with the replicas. You can use kubectl create Canary deployment. So web Canary was created. Now we need to switch both deployments to share the same service selector. We need to use this service override. When we say kubectl, use the label deployment web app is equal to web override. I can say overwrite, not override, overwrite. Command not found. There is a typo in the command. So web not labeled. Okay, now we can choose this override command, the same, which we can rename it. So Canary is labeled now. So that means we can test the web service using this minikube URL service web service. We will get the URL for to test. So this is the URL. Now I will show you how to test this one. Welcome to nginx. I hope you got this. This is how you wanna test this both versions traffic. I mean old one receives the 90% traffic and new one receives the 10% traffic before it is moved to the full release of the new one. That's all for now.